A lovely looking banjo, some nice designs on the top there that you can see straight away. Nice low action on it. So yeah, nice feel to it. I definitely recommend this to any of my beginner or intermediate students. I think the tone is lovely from it, sounds good. Hi, I'm Jon Reville, I'm from Wexford. I'm here in McNeela in Dublin, and I have the Celt Banjo here in my hand. I've really enjoyed playing this Celt Banjo here today. The neck feels quite short, so it's very accessible for someone, especially a younger player, so that's definitely a big plus about the Celt Banjo here. Yeah. I'm going to play a reel for you, a lovely Paddy O'Brien tune called Hanley's Tweed.